Alright, now that your second yoke is installed, there are a few things we want to show you in the software. The first is that we have to limit the X travel, whereas previously the yoke would have traveled all the way, this yoke would have traveled all the way to the end. Now we have to stop before the second yoke hits. And that setting is here under printer settings. Max travel, this was 700, now it's 520, and that prevents the yoke assembly from traveling too far and hitting the mechanical stop. If this number does not say 520, you want to load the appropriate settings or manually change the setting here. You can simply type the number you want, click apply and OK, and click flash to write that setting to your controller, or you can load the settings from a file. And if that file is not on here that says dual yoke, we can email you that file if you need to change, and that'll change all the settings in the machine. So hit apply, okay. Alright, now for the yokes themselves, the primary yoke is going to behave just like it always did. You plug in a head, it will register in the machine here. Sorry, this one has the settings for a different machine, so I'm just going to change this real quick. Alright. So you see the first 5 positions are going to behave as normal. Plug this in, so your SDS shows up. If you want to use the second yoke, it's going to be under this tab, heads 6 through 10. Come down here, you have 5 blank spaces. We're just going to move this over here to what will be slot 7, and the head will show up in that position. And otherwise, operation of the machine is the same. And just to demonstrate, since we changed the X travel setting, I'm going to jog it forward 600 millimeters. And you'll notice that it actually stops when it gets to 520. It's not going to crash into the mechanical stop because we set that in software. There was a motion fault, and that